Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video today, we are gonna talk about cameras, lenses, gimbals, everything that we use to take pictures and make videos for Instagram and for YouTube. And I brought someone here today, really special someone. This is Fred, aka my husband.
Yes.
And he's a photographer. He's the one behind all my pictures on Instagram and the videos, everything. So I think he's the best person to explain everything for you guys. So keep watching. Okay, so what do you want to show first? Camera maybe?
Let's start, yeah.
I'll give this to you.
I'm not the best person to show you guys, but kind
He's
of.
good.
Okay, so the camera that I use is the 70D. It's a Canon 70D. It's a semi-professional camera. Semi-professional?
Semi-professional, não sei. Acho que tá.
Tá, vamos mudar. Tá bem. It's not a professional camera, but it's a pretty good camera. And
It's not that expensive,
it's
right?
not that expensive, yeah. We bought it in the US 2 years ago. We got like a kit with the camera, 3 lenses, and it was like $1,200 US dollars.
Yeah.
It's a pretty decent price for a good camera.
So if you don't want to spend too much money, that's a good investment. So let's go for lenses now.
When you got the camera, you got 2 lenses with the kit. Was not 3 like I said before, was just 2 lenses. So we have this one here is at 1855. It's good for portrait or pictures that not that far. You must be a little bit close of the object or of the person. The other one that we got, it's a 55-250. So if you want to get something that is far away, that's a good lens to have. Both lenses, it's like an entry lens. It's not like the definition is good, but it's not that great. So this one for the 55 and 250 for long distance, and the 1855 for short distance. And we got this one here, that is the most famous lens of all times. The 50, it's a wonderful lens for portrait. Everybody that takes portrait pictures, I strongly suggest you have this one here.
Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the favorite camera for aviators. That's the GoPro. And
We got the GoPro Fusion, and this little not little, it's a big camera.
we used to have 2 cameras, one from inside the cockpit and one for the outside. So we used to have the GoPro 3 and the GoPro 5 Black. The 5 Black, I recently did a giveaway on my Instagram, so I gave it away. So we decided to buy the GoPro Fusion because instead of having 2 cameras, Fusion would take 360 videos and we wouldn't have to take 2 cameras with us. So we thought it would be better, and it's a great camera, right?
Amazing. But
Yeah,
there is always a but. Yeah, every time that you have to upload the video from your camera to the computer takes forever. I mean, like forever.
It's easier if you do like short clips with your camera, like you just record like 1 minute and then you stop and record another minute. But we used to just put the GoPro and just go flying. So we would record like more than 1 hour flights. And that would take like more than, I don't know, 12 hours to put the footage on the computer. So that's a long time. I think that's the only downside of the GoPro Fusion. The idea of having a 360 view, it's awesome.
Yeah.
It's really nice. It's really cool.
Depends what you want. If you want like, no, I don't care, I want the 360 view, I want to spend my time doing it if you have the time.
Yeah.
Totally, go for it. But if you just want the original GoPro style, go for the 7.
Or if for aviation, like if you just want to put the GoPro there and just forget about it, just go for a regular GoPro. They say that the GoPro 7 is like amazing.
Really good.
And speaking of videos, we either do our videos with the GoPro or with the camera. But with the camera, we realized that we needed a stabilizer because our videos were like too shaky, and Fred couldn't like follow me around or something like that. And we recently got a gimbal. I'm gonna let him explain the rest.
Big box. By suggestion of our friend Becki&Chris, if you guys don't follow them, just go there and follow. Gonna leave the link below. They suggest us to get this one here. Is the Zion Crane V2. We're gonna open the box. Nice box. The gimbal came on this box here. It's really professional, right? And has, let me take from here so I can show you guys. So this one here is the Zion Crane V2. It's a great gimbal, and you have like a joystick over here that I can move the camera. I really like this one, and just move with your hand. But we have been used a lot this one here. It's a great gimbal.
So last thing is the microphone that we use.
It's a Rode Micro. It's a good microphone and has this little thing over here, but actually the microphone is this one here, right? Just to protect from the wind and everything. And just put here, and we put here in the camera. That's it. It's a good microphone. It was not expensive at all. It was like 80 bucks, a Canadian dollar.
So that was it, guys. I hope you all like it. Let us know if you have any questions. Probably you answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.
Bye.